Today's video, I'm gonna share with you my full self-care beauty maintenance routine only using pink products. So we're gonna remove body hair, exfoliate from head to toe, and even do a bubble peeling. So get comfy and let's get started. I noticed some split ends on my hair, so I'm gonna start with this hair trimmer to get rid of them. Let me just tell you, if you ever get this, make sure you straighten your hair before and use it on small sections because this thing can actually cut more than just the tips. Trust me, I've seen long pieces in the hair trimmer before, but other than that, this is an amazing way to keep your hair long without cutting it all the time. My hair has been begging me for an oil treatment for a while, so I'm going to do it properly this time. For my scalp, I'm filling out this cute little oil scalp dispenser with my own hair growth oil mixer, which is with pumpkin seed, peppermint, vitamin E, and rosemary oil. Believe it or not, I tried to find a pink oil, but obviously there was no luck. Either way, this is the best hair oil for hair growth if you're consistent with it. This is my favorite part of any hair oil treatment, which is stimulating the scalp, and as you can see, I'm using this brush from Coco and Eve to do it, and all I'm doing here is focusing the tips of the brush to massage pressure points around my scalp that help with hair growth, plus just doing this instantly puts me into the relaxed zone. The ends of my hair have been feeling rough lately, so applying jojoba oil to moisturize them is the best option for this because jojoba oil is fairly close to the sebum that our natural skin produce, so that's why it is the best one to use when your hair is extremely dry, whether it is from too much washing or from the sun, because it can help you to restore this vital oil. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use tweezers to get rid of the mountain of hair I have grown from the past weeks. As soon as I was done with this, I felt like a veil was lifted from my face and now I can see clear. Also, it was really hard to see from the video, but I found my first white hair in between my eyebrows. Not gonna lie, I saved it to show it to my husband later. To complete a proper hair oil routine, I'm going to use this hair steamer from Bicargo for 10 minutes to increase absorption of the oils in my hair. I get it, it looks bougie, and yes, it takes time, but it is worth it because I can already feel the oils growing in my hair right now. It's time to wash my hair, so I'm going to use this Coconut Repair Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner from Viore, which is the sponsor of this video. Let me tell you something, besides how amazing the smell is and how extremely cute the packaging is, the crazy part about these bars is that they are made with long shen rice, which is the same rice used by the Red Yao women tribe in their hair care routines. And yes, Viore buy them from them at a premium, so if you think about it, this is basically washing your hair with rice water, plus you're getting all the actual benefits from it like straightening, shine, smoothness, which is exactly what I've seen on my hair after a few washes. Each bar is pH balanced, which is extremely important for healthy hair, and all the shampoos clean your hair gently, and my favorite thing is how long these are going to last you. One shampoo bar can last 40 to 60 washes and the conditioner up to 70 to 90 washes, making them super budget friendly. So if you're interested in incorporating Viore in your hair care routine, check out the description of this video, and thank you again to Viore for sponsoring this video. I finally found this rosewater body wash from Method Body, which I'm going to pair with my pink African sponge to clean my body, and let me tell you something, this thing smells exactly what you're thinking, a French garden full of roses. This is actually my first time trying this brand, and I'm so pleased. There's no stripping feeling afterwards, and the smell left on my bathroom is perfection. Next, I'm going to do my shaving ritual, which begins with sugar exfoliation. So for this, I'm using Tree Hut Dragon Fruit Scrub, and all I'm gonna do here is putting my best effort on only using it on my body as it's supposed to and not eat it, because this looks like a yummy sorbet, and yes, right now that's all I'm thinking. Then I'm going to cover my legs and armpits with the EOS Pomegranate Shaving Cream. If you're prone to ingrown and dark spots, never shave on dry skin. Trust me, using something like this can really protect your skin from the blade and potentially prevent you from developing dark spots. For shaving, I'm using this boring Venus disposable razor, and all I'm doing is following the way the hair grows because that's how it works for me. But seriously, I'm getting tired of shaving and this razor is not great. Like, it's not helping. Next, it is time to wash Viore coconut conditioner, and I already can tell my hair is going to be fabulous. After shower, I'm going to put the pinkest outfit I have and apply all over my body this delicious body butter from Trader Joe's. This is made of acai and guarana extract. This smells like a Hawaiian tropic competition and I'm on first place, baby. On top of this, to seal the hydration and to win this competition, I'm going to use the body oil from the same line. For me, this is hands down the best body lotion and body oil for self-care days. Not only it is extremely hydrating, also makes you feel like a tropical princess. For my skincare routine, I'm going in with Exfolio Collagen Cleanser, which is a super cute Korean product. And as you can see, I'm using this whip maker to form amazing foam out of my cleanser. I don't know you, but doing extra little things like this is what fills my soul with so much joy. However, what you're seeing next is minutes before destroying this calming moment. Thanks to this facial exfoliator. After hurting my skin barrier, I'm going to try to undo this damage by using this calming rose sheet mask from Burt's Bees. I'm just gonna apply and let it absorb for 10 minutes. For my feet that hasn't seen the light in months, I'm going in with this electronic pedicure tool from Yanlet. This came with 2 exchangeable heads, and since I don't have calluses, I'm going to use the fine head all over my feet, really focusing on the heels, which is the part that gets caught in the sheets, if you know what I mean. I like how easy this isn't compared to manual foot filing, but if you get it, just be careful and not overdoing it because it can leave your skin very sensitive. I've been using this cooling facial tool before bed as a way to reduce burning eyes in the morning, and it has helping me so much that this is a must to do every night for a couple of minutes. But besides that, can we take a moment to appreciate how calming this sounds feels like? Now, I'm going to splash on you and me lots of this rose water toner from Nature Well. Rose water has tons of skin healing properties, helps to preserve skin young and plump, plus you can use it on your hair as well as a way to keep it smelling fresh, which is a hack that I do all the time. I'm going to use this Korean bubble lip scrub from Ompa. So basically this is supposed to bubble, and what these bubbles are going to do is to gently peel the dry skin from your lips and at the same time moisturize them, which is a really cool concept, and it did leave my lips feeling nice, so I'll definitely do it again. No matter what I do to my lips, nothing can make me skip my favorite overnight lip mask from She Loves because she loves it too. Too much that I have extra bottles in my closet. For me, this is the only product that keeps my lips far from being dry and closer to being plump. Even though my hair doesn't need anything else because it feels fabulous, I'm still going to use Coco and Eve hair oil serum to add more hydration to my ends because this is part of my nighttime routine, and to build a routine, you need to build consistency, so I cannot skip it. I just feel like using some of this cute little pink Versace perfume all over me because why not? Self-care is all about making yourself feel great at the end, right? I love how my hair feels. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Pura Vida.